And I'm not a big coffee drinker, but James is through his
Mai Tai coffee, espresso roast. Just what you need to get yourself up and going after a night out here. And after a hard day of doing stuff.
So it looks like he's just got a carafe. And is that the cut off top of a Coke bottle that I see?
It is an old Diet Mountain Dew top. I really want to upgrade it to a like fine wire mesh one. In the filter and the wine decanter, you put in 4 tablespoons of coffee. And the ratio is supposed to be 4 tablespoons to 2 cups of water. I may be going a little bit more coffee, but this is espresso roast, so it can handle it. Let's come off the heat for a second. Alright. You just pour the water over the grounds. That's not hot anyway.
I don't drink coffee, but that is amazing. I'm gonna have to do that with tea.
Yeah. It pretty much makes the best cup of coffee.
The best part of waking up is Mai Tai in your cup. They're a sponsor, James, on the survivalpunk.com site.
And they make great coffee. And a portion of their proceeds goes to help orphans in Thailand, which is another reason why I like working with them.